First aid, nosebleeds. Sometimes when it is very hot, there may be bleeding from our nose. We call it a bleeding nose or a nosebleed. A nosebleed can be scary to get or see, but try to stay calm. Almost all nosebleeds can be treated at home. If you get a nosebleed, sit down and lean slightly forward. Keeping your head above your heart will make your nose bleed less. Lean forward so the blood will drain out of your nose instead of down the back of your throat. If you lean back, you may swallow the blood. This can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Use your thumb and index finger to squeeze together the soft portion of your nose. This area is located between the end of your nose and the hard, bony ridge that forms the bridge of your nose. Keep holding your nose until the bleeding stops. Don't let go for at least 5 minutes. If it's still bleeding, hold it again for 10 minutes straight. You can also place a cold compress or an ice pack across the bridge of your nose. Once the bleeding stops, don't do anything that may make it start again, such as bending over or blowing your nose. Do's. Sit down and lean forward slightly. Pinch the soft portion of the nose to stop the flow of blood. Place a cold compress over the nose or suck on ice cubes to lower the body temperature. Don'ts. Do not lie down immediately. Do not put your finger in the nose. Do not blow your nose too often. Burns, heat strokes, insect bites, sprains, etc. are some of the accidents that occur in our daily life. We must take some precautions to avoid accidents. These are: do not try to put a pencil or eraser into your nose, ear, or mouth. Do not put coins, marbles into your mouth. These can get stuck in your throat. Do not put your finger into a plug point or touch naked wires. Do not play with scissors, knives, screwdrivers, nails, or any sharp objects or put them in your mouth. Do not work on a gas stove in the absence of an adult or play with burning matchsticks or candles. Do not disobey traffic rules while walking on the road.